Hello everyone and welcome to my Yellow Bells. Today we will be making blueberry chia pudding. As you can see, I already added 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into the glasses. Now I am pouring some almond milk into it. We're going to stir this up until the chia seeds soak up on the liquid. Guys, chia seeds are like tiny sponges. They are highly absorbent, and if you don't soak them in the liquid and you eat it direct as it is, it might choke you, which is really dangerous. So it's highly advisable to soak it up in the liquid and eat it like a pudding. Here are the ingredients for this blueberry chia pudding recipe. I kept the mixture in the fridge for some time just to allow the chia seeds to soak up more on the almond milk. Now that I'm ready to serve, I'm adding some fresh blueberries, some crushed almonds and walnuts, and a little bit of coconut flour just to make it pretty. There you have it, my blueberry chia pudding recipe.